Go.
Nice.
What'd I tell ya?
Nice.
What'd I tell ya?
Can we get the net?
Just in case. Oh, I'm reeling him in a while. Wait, what you doing, buddy? Yes!
First one on the boat.
Yes!
Good job, man.
Yes! Get out of here. Nice! Bro. Let's get you on the board. Dang it, I drew blood tonight. That guy took it like, he started swallowing it while I was like trying to get it out of his mouth. I've never seen that. Wait, maybe that wasn't my blood. Just poked myself. And I'm bleeding.
Oh my god. Damn, bro. Nice.
He bit that like right here.
He hit that thing hard.
Yeah, you did. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Nice. We'll let you go. We'll let you go. Oh, I tell you, bro. The sun went below the treetop, and the fish are biting.
Got one.
Yes.
Got one.
Yes.
Nice. Oh,
Yes.
a baby one.
So get up here, man. You gotta get up here. We gotta get at the extreme close up. Oh my gosh. Look, dude. Oh, dude. Something definitely hit it. Son of a gun. I'm getting you. Alright. In business? Figure
Lock
it out.
and loaded. Let's go. Nice.
You're big.
Big? You mean that?
Nah. No, I just got caught in some weeds or something. Is that 3 for me?
Yeah, man.
Bro, what did I fucking tell you? What time is it? What time is it?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, bro. I'm not coming out here any earlier ever again. Holy crap. 7 o'clock on the dot, and then I drop top.
Nice. A big one?
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Grab that net. Oh, he's getting down in that. Oh yeah. Not that guy. Hell yeah. Hell
Nice.
yeah. Chill, chill, bro. It's like you're bringing my dinner.
Nice. Good job, man.
On the worm. Works every time. Are you all wrapped up in it, bro?
Nice.
Yeah, that's, I mean, that's
Yeah.
to me. Nice.
A nice one.
Nice little guy. Let's go. Let's go. On the worm. On the worm. I don't have that worm no more. You done took the worm. I lost the worm. To a good cause though.
I got that fish in one swoop. Did you see that?
I did. Nice netting, my man. Yes. all slimy. Worms, baby. Dude, are you kidding me? Did you see that fish? The worms always catch the big ones for me.
Alright. Spinnerbait's out.
Oh, it's gonna get that big one.
First cast! Hell
On
yeah.
the spinnerbait.
Hell yeah.
You're kidding me. You need a net?
I don't think so. Oh, no, it's good.
On the spinnerbait.
First
Look at
cast.
that.
Look at
Look
that.
at that.
Hold on.
I have never seen that. First cast on the spinnerbait? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my God, dude. You went after it. I'm shocked. That's awesome. You need pliers?
Yeah. Nice. You can throw it back in.
Yeah?
He's like, that's different.
Yeah, boy. Yes. 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 On the spinnerbait.
You gotta get yourself one now.
Are you serious?
I might have a second one.
Literally first cast on the spinnerbait. That's wild, dude. I can't believe that.
That was awesome.
I hate you, kinda. I can't believe you. First cast, good fish too.
Yeah, not a bad one.
What?
Oh, God, just kidding.
Holy crap. I'm a changed man. I'm a changed man. Dang. That was awesome.
That was cool.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. You're missing out too, Beard. We're catching them.
Whoa, nice.
Oh, little one. Got off. Little one.
Black one too.